Getting, you can't access this shared folder error? It's due to your organization's security policies. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Group Policy Update. Search for Group Policy and open Edit Group Policy. Expand Administrative Templates. Expand System. Expand Network. Click on Landman Workstation. Double-click on Enable Insecure Guest Logons. Select Enabled. Then click Apply and OK. Next solution, CMD commands. Search for CMD, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes to allow the prompt. Type GP Update and press Enter. Then type Exit and press Enter. Restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Next solution, Registry Editor. Search for Regedit and right-click to run as administrator. Click Yes to allow the prompt. Expand HKEY Local Machine, then System. Current control set and services. Expand Landman Workstation and click on Parameters. Right-click and select New. Then choose DWORD-32-bit value. Type Allow Insecure Guest Auth and double-click it. Set the value to 1, then click OK. You can find the full registry path in the video description. Finally, restart your PC by right-clicking on Windows Start and selecting Restart. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.